You use a Uber instead. They don't want taxi.
We're not taxi, we're driving. There's a difference. Frank, you just gonna take off from there?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Okay.
We can do it.
I know we can.
Taking off.
China cleared.
Wait, hold on. Yeah, I couldn't remember if I started or not.
From the left.
Oh, as we're taking off?
We're taking off.
Yeah, that's the whole idea.
It's gonna come real close.
Why? Hello.
Man, he likes to do this.
Gear up. Flaps up.
Okay, guys, you're having too much fun. I'm going to land.
What? We all can have fun together.
Look, I don't want to complicate the matter.
Ah.
Low pass.
Okay, let me land here. Okay.
Do a low-ish pass because Yuri's right there. Whatever.
On the runway.
Okay.
Wow. We scared him to land out there. See what you did?
Say hi until he's across. Whoop. That looks really cool. We're spaced just right.
2 minutes.
Okay, runway is clear.
Okay.
Hey, bye-bye.
See ya.
You didn't even say goodbye. All right, let's do a low pass.
Okay.
I'm gonna get on it.
Okay. I'll be further closest to us. Yeah. Okay, I'm ready. Tell me when you're ready.
Time remaining 1 minute.
And Immelman now. Woo!
That looked planned.
It did look really cool though.
Had anybody crashed in that
30
water yet?
seconds.
Yes,
'Cause that would be sad.
it's happened.
Yeah.
So let's do our thing now because we're perfect right now.
Ten, 9,
That's
8,
it. Go.
7,
Let's do
6,
one.
5,
Okay.
From real low.
We can if Caswell should be clear by the time we're done.
time expired.
Okay.
I got a
Okay.
haircut a couple days ago, thank you. Oh, he got away! I got away! Sell all your stuff? Catch me if you can.
Yeah, it did it to me too. It was a weird wind. It did a funky bump.
Oh, is that what it is?
Yeah, mine did it too. That looked pretty good and we didn't try, notice?
Oh, yeah. It's just something about coming low.
It always looks the coolest. You want to know what's scary is I looked away from mine to follow yours. I knew where mine was going, so I just...
What Ike would say.
Don't do that!
Over.
While you walked out. Alright, we gotta land. You have a big one, right?
4500. Yes, I do have a big one, Frank. Thank you. But battery, I'm on a 4500.
Landing.
Landing flaps.
I'm gonna come down with you, but I'm not gonna land.
Gear down.
Okay, landing.
That guy, he likes to admit something. None of that shit works.
Flaps up.
Good stuff, Frankie.
Landing right. You know, if you gotta crank and get going, you're race quit using Expo, aren't you ready?
What? That's, dude, I use X-Pro. I have to. Use like 60%. No, I use it. I fought it for a long time.
There's no fighting it. I just tried it, obviously.
Yeah.
But it's just like.